In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Forex.com to TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to place trades directly from your TradingView charts using your Forex.com account, making your workflow faster and more convenient. First, open TradingView and head to a chart. Look toward the top right of the screen and click the Trade button. This is your shortcut to connecting a broker. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on a chart page and that your window isn't zoomed in so far that the button is hidden. Clicking Trade will open the broker connection area where you can choose who you want to link. Next, use the search field to find your broker by typing Forex.com. Be sure to spell it exactly like that so it appears in the list. When it shows up, select it to bring up the option to connect. You'll see a Connect button associated with the broker. Go ahead and click Connect. This tells TradingView you want to authorize a secure link between your charting platform and your broker. At this point, a login window will appear for Forex.com. Sign in with your existing Forex.com credentials. Keep your login details private and enter them only in the official broker window that TradingView opens. If your account uses two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. Some users will also be asked to choose between a live or a demo account. Pick the one you intend to trade with on TradingView. After you finish logging in, wait a moment while the connection is established. Once you're connected, you'll see confirmation inside TradingView, typically showing your broker name, your account balance, and access to positions and orders. From here, you can place trades directly from the chart, modify orders by dragging levels, and monitor your account in real time without leaving TradingView. If anything doesn't load at first, a quick page refresh usually clears it up. A few quick tips if you run into issues. Make sure pop-ups are allowed in your browser so the login window can open, ensure you're signed into your TradingView account, and check that your Forex.com account is supported in your region. If the Connect button is grayed out, try reloading the chart or temporarily disabling strict content blockers that might interfere with the authentication window. That's all there is to it. Click Trade at the top right, search for Forex.com, select it, and hit Connect. Then log in to your broker account. After that, you're ready to trade directly from TradingView. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.